again, this is Mark. Welcome to episode 2 of My Life with Rokke. This is footage of Rokke being delivered to me here in Urbana, Illinois. He was trucked up from Houston, Texas just before the hurricane, so the timing was quite fortuitous. Plycar Transportation Group handled the move, and they've got this very unique and helpful, what do they call it, off-ramp unloading system, I think. Here the driver is very carefully trying to maneuver Rokke out onto the platform. He knows he's 100% responsible for the car at this point, so he's being extra careful, as you can tell, backing out, moving forward, getting the alignment just right, and double checking as he goes. Any damage caused to the car during the move is responsibility of the trucking company. Plycar has a very high reputation, so here he's grabbing the remote control, and he's starting to lower the car down. He's looking every direction as he goes. Alright, safe and sound. Now he's got to back it off the platform. It's still his responsibility. We'll just scrape on any of those chains. And there we go. Rokke is on terra firma once again. I bet that feels good. This is the first time I've seen Rokke in person. I actually bought him, not sight unseen, but I bought him over the internet, using the Gateway Classic Cars website. Had very rigorous negotiations with the seller, I guess would be the way to put it, and we finally came upon a price that we agreed on and the owner agreed on. Anyway, that's our move. I can recommend Plycar. They did a good job, and I hope you enjoyed the video.